Warning, this video is definitely not for mature audiences, as you can see. If you want to live, like, and of course, subscribe.
Got the bomb.
Fuck you! I knew a foot base too, you fucker.
And
actually
we
pretty
got this
decent.
guy.
Just jump off.
Keegan,
Stop
are
it,
you
you're making me
sleeping?
dizzy.
Keegan.
He's sleeping.
He's sneezing.
Literally, I think he is. I hear him. No.
Dude.
Is he really sleeping?
He's doing that on purpose.
I don't know.
Seriously, play.
I bet he's doing it on purpose.
We lost that engagement.
Peekaboo!
I fell asleep, and then somebody else fell asleep the other night too.
You guys are getting old.
To be honest,
Gabe,
I really
coming
think
to
he's
mid.
sleeping.
Damn it, you always want to get to him faster. Fuck you.
Yes.
I knew it.
Yes.
I knew it.
Humans, dude, I was trying to get to his ass. I saw him pop up in that window.
I was like,
y'all motherfuckers were in front of me. I was like, God damn it. Y'all gonna get to him first.
I didn't want to shoot humans. I saw him run in front of me. I'm like, son of a bitch!
Switching operation ready point.
he just.
Yeah, he's sleeping. How the fuck do you like? He didn't even sound like he was tired at all.
I'm gonna hit him.
I'm calling him right now.
He's spinning so fast. So fast. Look how quick he's going.
That's his phone.
Just sleeping.
It's not even like quiet too. It's loud as fuck snoring.
Crash.
Got him.
Maintain your
I'm
momentum.
calling him
You
until
just
he wakes
hear his
up.
phone in the background.
That's me.
That's Skype or something?
No, it's Messenger.
Oh, okay.
Switching operation ready point.
Yeah, definitely Messenger. You're right.
Defend the objective.
What the fuck?
He's dead asleep. I thought he was just joking. No, he's sleeping. Is watch that trip mine.
Get back in inbound. UAV inbound.
I was gonna help.
Holy shit.
Fuck.
This
They kill
nigga's
each other.
sleeping.
Dude, it's loud too. It's not like it's like he seriously has his headset on. It's just like full head back, just fucking snoring his ass off.
CDP. All objectives secure.
Jesus Christ, bro. No fucking way.
You can't match my skills.
That's so weird.
How do you
that
wake
everybody's
up
been
with your
falling asleep
headset
lately.
on? Like on your ears. Like how do you fall asleep with your head? Yeah, I know. The more you yell, you think you'd wake up. Like those his headset has to be on his ears, literally. Wake up!
Keegan, wake up, man.
Oh my god, that was loud as fuck. You gotta just wake him up.
Keegan, holy shit.
Yeah, the
Bro.
shit wasn't fully downloaded yet.
Black?
I don't know.
Hungry, you know your party leader, right? You could kick him if you
Yeah,
want.
I'm going to.
No, don't. This is funny as
I don't
hell.
wanna deal with it anymore.
No, come
Yeah,
on.
dude, it's loud.
Hold on, let's see if I wake him up.
You're not gonna wake that up, dude. That's loud. If he snores that loud, it doesn't wake himself up. Like, yeah, no matter what you do, you're not waking that guy up. That's for sure. I can't believe you could snore that